If you're living in Canada or just visiting and need to apply for a US visa, the process might sound confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to work you through it step by step, so you know exactly what to do. First, you need to complete the DS-160 form online, which is the official US visa application, and make sure all your details match your passport information because even small mistakes can delay your appointment. Once the form is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation page with a barcode that you must keep for your records. Next, head over to the US visa appointment website for Canada and create an account, where you'll pay the non-refundable visa application fee, which varies depending on the type of visa you're applying for, such as a tourist, student, or work visa. After payment, you can schedule your appointment at a U.S. consulate or embassy in Canada. Locations include Ottawa, Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, Quebec City, Calgary, and Halifax. When booking, you'll choose both a biometrics appointment at a visa application center, VAC, and an interview appointment at the consulate or embassy. Be sure to gather all required documents, including your DS-160 confirmation page, payment receipt, valid passport, any supporting documents specific to your visa type, and your appointment confirmation letter. On the day of your VSC appointment, your fingerprints and photo will be taken, and then you'll attend your interview at the consulate where an officer will ask about your purpose of travel, ties to Canada, and financial stability. If approved, your passport will be returned with the U.S. visa stamp via courier, and if additional processing is required, you'll be notified. Applying for a U.S. visa in Canada isn't complicated if you stay organized. Double-check your documents and follow the instructions carefully, so if you're planning your next trip to the States, this is the process you'll need to go through.